Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to enable mouse emulation for Look to Learn. First, double tap on the icon that says Gaze Interaction Settings on your desktop. It will be red and white. On the left side, go ahead and select Windows Control. Here on the right, your first option is to auto start Windows Control at boot. What this means is any changes that we make today will auto start anytime you boot up your machine. I highly recommend checking this box. Below auto start, you will see Windows control type. For Look to Learn, mouse emulation needs to be selected. Go ahead and hit apply at the bottom right corner once both of those are selected and choose OK. Down at the bottom right corner of your Windows toolbar, you will see the caret icon or the up arrow. Go ahead and select that. In here, you will see a red and white icon. Push your finger down on that and hold it down for about 5 seconds and then let go. This will bring up a menu. Go ahead and select Enable Windows Control to bring up your mouse emulation menu. Now, open the Look to Learn program. It is the yellow icon on your desktop. A welcome message will appear. You can either buy Look to Learn online, activate a purchase if you've already paid for it and you have the license, or just try the free options. For now, I'm going to try the free options. Go ahead and click OK. And select the yellow icon in the middle of the screen. From here, I'm going to choose the yellow icon for Look to Learn. I'm going to select Sensory. And I'm going to select Custard Pies. Once I hit Start, the game is activated and your user is ready to play the game. To close out, hit the gray X up at the top right corner.